fucking assholes. Hate water! Fuck! Fair fucking play!
This one's nasty now.
Oh. That's the deepest crossing route. I fucking hate water. Like, do you know when it just gets in your head? Like, I was close. Huh? Oh. Hey?
I think I sucked some up.
Yeah, yours definitely did. The fucking sting.
How deep you want to go, really?
Yeah, well, it's definitely up to air filter. Fucking hell. Oh, deep water just gets my anxiety going. Straight into the next one. Mate, that was just adrenaline off the honestly, that is the deepest river, like little crossing I've ever done. And whenever it comes to deep water like that, I shit myself. So like, Simon went across fine, Luke went across fine, Bobby went across fine, and I still doubted my own ability. Like, just need to send it and stop doubting myself, because that's when you make mistakes. And even then, like, I was close to like coming to a stop. It's just, yeah, getting inside my head is like a really big thing for me.